Einstein, everyone.
All right. Einstein, are you excited?
No.
Tell everybody your name. It's getting ready. Just gotta clear her throat. Can you tell them your name? Einstein. Say hi. Can you say hi?
Fuck off.
Nice. But be polite. Okay, let's start off with some animal sounds first. Can you do? Okay, gotta clear your throat. Let's do a wolf. Good. How about a bird? Can you do a bird? Good. Can you do an owl? Good owl. How about a rooster? How about a penguin? Can you do a penguin? That's a little bitty penguin for you. How about a chimpanzee? Good job, Einstein. Can you do a pig? Sometimes they get chunky. You think they need to go on a diet? How about diet? How about some tigers from the jungle? Yeah, they growl. What about a skunk? Okay, let's do some sound effects too. Spaceship? Good. Good, spaceship with the laser.
Firing my laser!
Yeah. Can you fall down?
No.
There you go, it's a little splat at the end. Does that hurt?
No way.
Maybe could you whisper?
Duh.
That's good. How about evil?
Happy.
Good job, Einstein. Let's sing some opera. Let's sing some opera. There you go. Can you toot? Ooh, Einstein, this is a lot of hard work. Is this a lot of hard work?
Duh.
Yeah, it's going to wear you out. But we're not done yet. What do you think?
Yeah.
No, we know more. How about fiesta?
Duh.
Right. Go crazy for everybody. Can you go crazy? Go crazy. Woo! All right, she loves to party. So can you just get down? Let's get down. Come on. Where you at? You need something to drink? Here. No, you don't drink beer, you drink water.
No, you give me beer.
That's much better. All right, so you're going to have to wait till later because I have a problem.
Duh.
What's the matter? You lost my dog. Can you call the dog?
Come here, you motherfucker. Come here, you motherfucker.
Good job, Einstein. I don't see the dog anywhere. I don't want this to be boring. Yeah. Well, we all love you. We know that you're famous. Are you famous?
Of course, bitch.
Okay. What do you say when it's time to go?
What the fuck?